Nestled in the lush heart of Tamil Nadu, the Palamala Hills stands as a testament to the ancient wisdom of the Malayali tribes. Here, amid the dense evergreen forests, lies a treasure trove of medicinal plants that have been passed down through generations. Each leaf, root, and bark holding the secrets of centuries-old healing practices. This sacred land, known for its pristine beauty, is more than just a natural paradise. It's a living library of indigenous knowledge, a rich culture intertwined with the healing powers of nature. But this knowledge, honed over centuries, is now at risk of being forgotten. The urgent need to preserve both the plants and the wisdom of the people who use them is more important than ever. At the forefront of this challenge stands one of India's premier Ayurvedic research institutes, Pankajakasthuri Herbal Research Foundation, a cornerstone of the esteemed Pankajakasthuri Ayurveda Medical College. Under the leadership of Padma Shri Dr. Harindran Nair, a renowned figure in the world of Ayurveda and herbal research, the foundation has launched a groundbreaking project to document and preserve the medicinal knowledge of the Malayali tribes. This project is supported by the Department of Science and Technology, DST, and is part of the Science and Heritage Research Initiative, SHRI.
The goal of this project is not to preserve and protect the ethnic plants alone, but to ensure that the indigenous knowledge behind these plants is passed on to future generations. By combining the traditional knowledge with modern science, we aim to place these plants before the modern world. It's about bridging the gap between heritage and science.
In the hills, traditional healers, known for their deep connection to nature, continue to practice the ancient art of healing. They use the forest's bounty to create remedies that treat a wide range of ailments, particularly dermatological infections.
எந்த நோய் வந்தாலும் இங்கே இருக்கிற மூலிகையை பறித்து நாங்கள் பயன்படுத்திக்குவோங்க. அது எங்கள் அப்பா எங்கள் தாத்தாவெல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்து அந்த மூலியமாக தான் வந்துட்டு இருக்கிறேங்க. நாங்கள் வேற புக்குலையோ அதுலேயே பார்த்தெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் பயன்படுத்தலைங்க. பெரியவர்கள் என்ன சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்களோ அதை வச்சு கொஞ்சம் ஏதோ முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு அவங்க அதையும் கூட செஞ்சுருக்கலாம். எங்களுக்கு என்ன முடியுமோ அதை செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. தோல் நோய் சம்மந்தப்பட்டுன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா சொறி சிறங்கு வெள்ளை வெள்ளையாக வர்றது இந்த மாதிரி சம்மந்தப்பட்டதுக்கு ஆகுங்க. உடல் பிரச்சனை காமாலங்கிற சமாச்சாரத்துக்கு ஆகுங்க. கண் நோய் இந்த மாதிரி உடல் பிரச்சனைக்கெல்லாம் சில அதுக்கெல்லாம் இதை கொடுப்போங்க. தோல் நோய்க்கு சம்மந்தப்பட்டதுன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா புரசிங்கிற தலை ஒன்று இருக்குங்க. அப்புறம் அதே மாதிரி அந்த வெள்ளை வெள்ளை போகிறதுக்குன்னா கிலோந்தலைன்னு இருக்குதுங்க. அந்த மாதிரி சம்மந்தப்பட்டது இருக்குதுங்க. உள்ளு கொடுக்குறதுக்கு சில இதில் இருக்குதுங்க. வெட்டுக்காயமானோன்னா இந்த தண்ணி பூண்டுன்னு ஒன்று சொல்லுவோங்க. அது நாங்கள் அந்த சாறை விட்டோம்னா அந்த வெட்டுக்காயம் இதாகுங்க, மறைஞ்சிக்குங்க.
The foundation has established state-of-the-art facilities to preserve, research, and replicate these medicinal plants. Each plant is carefully harvested, analyzed, and stored in a controlled environments to ensure they retain their healing properties.
We follow strict protocols to ensure that these plants are preserved as well as cultivated, and thereby guarantees their sustainability. The future of these plants depends on how well we can replicate them in a scientific environment and thereby ensuring their availability for the future generations.
The key component of this project is training the young members of the Malayali tribes. We are teaching them the skills needed for for sustainable cultivation, collection, semi-processing and post-harvest management of raw materials. From these, raw materials of high quality can be assured and that can be used for modern medicinal preparations.
This initiative aims to bring a blend of traditional knowledge and modern practices, focusing first on dermatology, but with the potential to extend to other areas of health. It will cater to the growing demand for natural remedies in today's world.
At Pankajakasthuri, we are not just preserving the plants, we are ensuring that the indigenous knowledge is being protected as well as enhanced. With the help of modern technologies and the archaeometric principles, we are studying how the ancient practices can be applied for the modern medicine preparations.
With over 4 decades of dedication to Ayurvedic innovations and public health, we have always recognized the immense value of traditional ethnic knowledge, especially from the tribal community, which often lacks the scientific support to evolve into tangible products. Our efforts to support the scientific research and development among the tribal communities are crucial. Through this DST-3 initiative, we have taken a significant step forward by developing a knowledge empowering and innovation hub, a social entrepreneurship model that bridges this gap. By empowering the local community with skills and knowledge, we are not just preserving the plants, but we are building a sustainable future for both the environment and the people. By enhancing and standardizing the indigenous knowledge, we have not only developed 2 new products based on the medical wisdom of the Malayali tribal community, but also created a pathway for the tribal youth empowerment through a techno-entrepreneur center.
The new generation of tribal youth is being trained to carry forward this invaluable knowledge. With each lesson, they not only learn how to tend to the plants, but how to carry the responsibility of preserving their heritage.
அவங்களுக்கு என்ன ஒன்று சொன்னால் சரி நமக்கு என்ன ஏதோ மருந்து கொடுத்தா ஏதோ ஒரு பிரச்சனை ஆனால் நம்மள ஏதோ பண்ணுறாங்களா நினைப்பாங்களா என்னமோ தெரியலைங்க. நாங்கள் வந்து சொல்லி தான் கொடுக்குறோம். வாங்க எனக்கு நம்ம தாத்தா எங்கள் தாத்தாவை காட்டணும், எங்கள் அப்பாவுக்கு அப்பா காட்டினதான் எனக்கு, நான் பசங்களை காட்டி தானே போகணும், காட்டி கொடுக்கலான்னு என்னங்க. சிலது எங்கள் பசங்களை வந்து ஓரளவுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு வரேங்க, நார்மலாக பண்ணிட்டு.
At Pankajakasthuri, the research does not stop at conservation. It is a continuous cycle of discovery, innovation, and application. The aim is clear: bring the healing power of nature to modern society in a scientifically validated form.
We are constantly evolving our researchers to better understand how this plant works at molecular levels. And that for sure will add on to the ongoing development of indigenous medicinal and nutraceutical products, preserving the rich ethnic heritage and bringing its benefits to the world for generations to come.
The preservation of indigenous knowledge is not just about plants or remedies. It's about preserving the culture, the heritage, and the wisdom that has been passed down for generations. In these forests lies a legacy, and with the support of institutions like Pankajakasthuri, that legacy will continue to thrive.
By combining traditional wisdom with modern science, we can create a future where everyone gets nature's healing. This is just a beginning, and I believe this will grow to benefit the entire world.
Promoting research and development activities within tribal communities is an important responsibility. Together, we can preserve this invaluable knowledge and ensure it is passed on to future generations. Pankajakasthuri Herbal Research Foundation is leading the way, helping tribal knowledge and modern science walk hand in hand.
யானாடே அழக பொன்னி கோனாடே
மணிரிகே